When the world feels so uncertain and darkness is all around us, let's come together and say we can stand strong without a doubt, searching for solutions that unite us in harmony. Differences that challenge bring out our humanity, fostering respect and embracing our diversities. It's the power of culture that gives us new possibilities. Although things seem uncertain, never give up hope. Working together, we'll rebuild with the strength to help us cope. Believing in each other, we can bridge any divide, keep on learning and healing as our cultures collide, spreading love and understanding so that kindness will abide. Cultural healing can be found if we open up our minds. Go well, stay well, be well.